Hello everyone. This is in continuation to various problems what we are doing in logarithm. The next one is question number 4. If logarithm of x plus logarithm of y equal logarithm of x plus y, then y can be expressed in terms of x as what? So let us proceed. The left-hand side expression log a plus log b is nothing but log ab. So I can write log xy, that can be equated to log of x plus y, which is given as the right-hand side. So since these two are equal, I can say xy can be written as x plus y. We are supposed to express y in terms of x. So I will retain y in one side. I will take x terms in the other side. Xy xy minus x equal to y. Now, I'm sorry, I should have taken y together because we are going to express y. So I will rewrite this xy minus y equal to x. Now, this y is common, x minus 1 equal to x. That means divide both sides by x minus 1, we get y equal to x by x minus 1. That is what is asked. Y has to be expressed in terms of x, that we have done it. So that's the solution for this. In case if you find the contents of this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.